Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're going to dive into some truly exciting developments in the world of AI and robotics. Hugging Face and NVIDIA have teamed up to unlock new possibilities in the robotics landscape. If you love technology and want to see how it's evolving, stick around. This partnership is set to revolutionize industries like healthcare and logistics. Imagine robots not just answering questions, but actually interacting seamlessly with their surroundings. Let's explore how this will directly impact all of us. So, let's break it down. NVIDIA is known for pushing the boundaries in AI technology. They're introducing new tools that will not only help coders build amazing robots, but also streamline their workflow. Picture this: a developer training a robot to navigate through complex environments like a busy hospital or a warehouse using simulations. This saves time and resources while providing high-quality training material. Their new project, GR00T, focuses on humanoid robot development, enabling robots to manipulate objects. Now that's innovation. The spirit of collaboration is what drives innovation in tech. By combining Hugging Face's Le Robot open-source framework with NVIDIA's powerful GPU technology, we're looking at a new era where robotics can advance rapidly. Developers can now share their models and datasets, creating a community that builds off of each other's work. Think about it: a library of resources where anyone can jump in and contribute. This open-source approach lowers barriers to entry and fuels creativity. If you're an aspiring developer, this is a golden opportunity. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of robotics training. Traditional methods require gathering real-world data, which can be incredibly time-consuming. But with NVIDIA's Isaac Lab, we can simulate and generate vast amounts of training data. Imagine being able to create environment simulations with perfect accuracy. A single demonstration can generate thousands of scenarios for a robot to learn from. This speeds up the learning process dramatically. It's like giving robots a cheat sheet to learn complex tasks. Isn't that amazing? Creating a community around robotics is critical. An environment where you can learn from others, ask questions, and share experiences leads to greater success. With Hugging Face's framework, developers around the globe can collaborate and push the limits of what's possible. This kind of peer support can lead to breakthrough innovations. You could be part of this remarkable journey. So, if you have ideas, don't hesitate to jump in and share them. Collaboration is key in this field. One industry that stands to benefit enormously from these advancements is manufacturing. Automated robots efficiently working alongside humans is the future. With frameworks that allow for easy modifications and optimizations, imagine how much productivity could increase. Hugging Face and NVIDIA's collaboration is going to enhance how robots are trained and deployed in factory settings. This can lead to safer workplaces and significantly lower operational costs. Who wouldn't want a smarter and more efficient production line? Let's switch gears to healthcare. The potential here is outstanding. Robots that can assist with daily tasks, engage with patients, and even help in surgeries. Imagine a robot ensuring medicines are administered on time or helping elderly patients get around. With the tools from Hugging Face and NVIDIA, the development of these robots will become much more feasible. The impact on patient care and overall healthcare efficiency could be monumental. It's a win-win for all. Logistics is another area that can't be overlooked. With e-commerce booming, the demand for fast and accurate deliveries is skyrocketing. Robots capable of navigating through warehouses to pick and pack orders accurately can save time and reduce human error. With the new developments from this partnership, imagine robots that can adapt to changing environments in real time. This will maximize efficiency in handling goods and streamline processes. The future of logistics is not just faster, but smarter. Each of these advancements will change not just the tech landscape, but our overall lives. In construction, for instance, robotic assistants can significantly mitigate risks and enhance productivity. By combining human creativity with robotic precision, we can tackle complex projects faster and with fewer errors. Plus, think about safety. Robots can take over dangerous tasks, keeping human workers safe. This collaboration marks a new horizon, and it's exciting to think about. Speaking of excitement, the tech community is buzzing about all the possibilities from this collaboration. With so many innovative tools coming to the forefront, developers and researchers have a playground to explore their ideas. Everyone can contribute, learn, and benefit from shared knowledge. It's thrilling to see this community come alive, driving innovation forward. If you're a part of this community, or looking to become one, you are not alone. You have support and resources at your fingertips. Your enthusiasm is crucial. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting, take a leap of faith and engage with these technologies. The resources are available, and the community is thriving. Always remember, in this journey, you're supported, and every contribution counts, big or small. So reach out, share your knowledge, and grow together with us. Let's create a vibrant ecosystem of innovation and creativity. In conclusion, the partnership between Hugging Face and NVIDIA is not just another tech collaboration. It's a vital step towards making advanced robotics accessible to everyone. With tools to enhance collaboration, streamline development, and speed up training, the future looks bright for AI-driven robotics. We're on the brink of something transformative. Get ready to embrace these changes and see how your work could redefine industries. And now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the integration of advanced AI and robotics? Are there specific industries you think will benefit the most? Feel free to share your opinions and experiences in the comments below. I'm all ears and would love to create a dialogue around this fascinating topic. Throughout this video, we've only scratched the surface of what Hugging Face and NVIDIA are working on. There are so many exciting developments in play. Projects like GR00T are just the beginning, highlighting that the future of robotics is about teamwork, innovation, and inclusivity. Let's keep cheering on the teams behind these projects as they pave the way for advancements we can all harness and enjoy. Before I close, I just want to express my gratitude for all of you for being part of this journey. Your engagement, support, and feedback uplift this community. Together, we can learn, grow, and redefine the limits of what we can achieve with technology. If you appreciated today's content, please hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting updates on AI and robotics. Your thoughts and ideas matter, and I'm here to support you.